Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make curry on induction, only way. Begin with a magnetic flat pan and preheat to medium-low so oil shimmers, but does not smoke. Toast whole spices briefly, then add onions and sweat until soft and golden. Build flavor by layering spices, tomatoes, and coconut milk while keeping a steady low simmer to meld aromas and prevent separation for a silky, balanced curry. In this video, I will show how to make curry on induction, only ways. Chop onions, garlic, and ginger finely and measure spices in small bowls for quick adding. Cut proteins and vegetables evenly so they cook at the same rate under stable induction heat. Keep coconut milk or stock warm to add without shocking the pan temperature, ensuring smooth integration and consistent texture throughout cooking. In this video, I will show how to make curry on induction, only way. If you're enjoying this, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for staying hydrated while you cook, and it fits in most kitchen cup holders, which is handy when tasting multiple curries. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make curry on induction, only ways. Start by blooming ground spices in oil briefly, then add aromatics and brown until fragrant. Deglaze with stock to scrape up flavorful bits and lower heat to maintain a gentle simmer. Add coconut milk or yogurt near the end and cook slowly until sauce thickens, tasting and adjusting salt and acidity for depth and balance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.